Hey everyone, welcome to the series of quick report generation using Excel. Today we are going to generate exam plus assignment plus skill based Mount Arvon report. So this is the Excel sheet I have in which you need to enter or replace your information to generate this report card. Here at the top you can see there is a logo, school or institute name, address and the header, and there is a academic year as well. So here you can see there is a school name, address, report name and the logo. Also it supports two logos, but I have only uploaded one logo. So here is a grade boundary and the academic growth keys, and these are printed over here. Also you need to enter the promoted to. Suppose students are promoted to class 7, so that you need to enter 7 or class 7 or anything. Whatever you enter will be printed in the report card like this. So the best supported themes are green, orange, red, royal blue, peach. This is the orange theme. Let's move further to the student data. Here you can see there is a student name, class name, roll number, present days, absent days, total days and the other information like GR number, date of birth and promoted to. So here you can see there is a student information and the attendance information is printed over here. Here is the student present days and here are the total working days. Now if the student is promoted to, then you can enter yes, and if the student is not promoted to the next class, then you can enter no. Here I have only 5 students, but you can have any number of students. Now let's move further to the subject wise results. Here you can see there is a table of scholastic areas in which there is exam type 1, multiple assessment and some kind of exams and their marks. So here you need to enter your exam type name as the header of the report card, or whatever you enter over here will be printed over here. Here enter the subjects and the marks for each exam, and make sure you have copied and pasted the roll number and the student name from the student sheet. So enter the data like this and it will print it as it is, and similarly you can enter the data for say other subjects. Now let's move to student comments. Here you need to copy and paste the roll number and student name from the previous sheet and enter the comment in front of the student name, so that it will printed here as a class teacher's comment. Now let's move to signature. Here I have 3 signatures: the signature holder name, designation and the digital signature. You need to enter your data like the name, designation and you need to replace the digital signature. So these signatures will be printed over here. Now let's move to the scholastic areas. Some skills we need to enter, so you need to enter those skills in this scholastic area sheet. So they are printed over here, and same for the discipline. Here are some discipline areas. So whatever you enter in the Excel sheet will be printed at the report card. This is how we can generate the exam plus assignment plus skill based Mount Arvon report using Excel. So go to EduCloud to generate this report card, and feel free to contact us at support@educloud.in. Thank you.